It is 5:18 a.m. Saturday morning. I've got Greg. Can't see him, but he's here. Say hi, Greg.
Hey, I'm here, ready to go.
Yeah, we dragged him out of bed early. Up at 4:30, got going. We're heading to Shelby. It's dark. What do I say? Anyway, we're starting our trip to Shelby this morning, and we're going to stop at Pancake House for breakfast at 6, and then head over to the Hamfest. So that's the story. And all is good. Yes, it's dark out here. You can see the moon there. We're on Highway 74 now. Can't believe all the traffic out here at 5:30 in the left lane, of course, with deer and things. It's probably a better place to be, and on autopilot as usual. Yeah, we're here again in the ground fog. Comes and goes. No Scottish breakfast for us today. We're just into Shelby city limits here. We've got 5 miles to go, or 5 minutes, I should say, 3.5 miles to go. Running autopilot, and of course with a light it wants to stop until I think it's okay, and I tell the car by pressing the accelerator. It's normal behavior running a autopilot on these 2-lane roads. I realize it's separated, but it's the way it is. We're getting close now. Looks like 3.2 miles. Well, here we are at the Pancake House. It's real nice inside. Good service, good food, and we're waiting for our buddies showing up here. All right, we're done with breakfast, headed to the Hamfest. Say hi, you two mugs.
Hey.
Yeah, we're gonna go buy useless crap at the Hamfest. Yeah, we're about ready to make our left turn into the Hamfest area. It's 6:51 here. Sun's coming up. Should be a nice day today. All right, we're here at the vendor entrance. It's where all the cars go that are actually selling here. We gotta check in here. We're good. How's it going, boys?
All right.
Good. Nice seeing you again. Let's see. We're going this way. This will take us right to our spot here. It's early enough that nobody around yet, really. Just the die-hard Hamfesters. Wow, look at the campers going on here. Pretty wild. Yeah, this whole fairgrounds fills up with vendors that sell all kinds of used stuff, new stuff, computers, ham radio stuff, you name it. And it's all over the place here. And then, of course, people that come and sell drinks and food and things like that. But it's okay. We're going to have a good turnout, it sure looks like. We weren't quite sure this year how that would all work. And let's see, we're at 51. All these people. Of course, if you're a diehard, then you'll find that, let's see. I am 57. I'll find it. I think it's here someplace. Let's see. Yeah, this is where it is, right here. Spot 57. Hey, young man.
Right there.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks a lot. How you doing?
Good.
And just like that, bam, we're here. All right, let's get the stuff out and wander around a little bit and see what's going on. Yeah, we're about to set up here. Got Stuff set up. We're gonna pull more junk out a little later. All the early bird folks are here. More people are showing up. Let's take a walk around. So the Hamfest is coming alive. I have this really like for these things called Nixie tubes. It was 1950-60 digital readouts showing numbers. They're neon, essentially like a neon tube that shows frequency or whatever the device is. I scored, I've got 3 pieces here, 3 pieces of test equipment, so pretty good. I'm looking around here and see what else I can find. As you see, all this used gear, that is an SP600. It is an old style general coverage receiver, and this are representative of 50s, 40s, 60 type tube gear. And all the guys bring all their gear out and sell it. This is an R388, I think. It is a very cool receiver made by Motorola, of all people. And it is a totally mechanical receiver on all bands. Pretty cool. Vacuum tubes, of course. And all the rest of the gear here. So let's hunt for more Nixies. Yep, a little of everything here. Electronic flea market, essentially.
That's what I told her. She said,
Any questions? We're over here. Guarantee she used.
That's what I told her.
Shortly, the Mickey Mouse bill will be worth more than $100.
Hey, it's tagged up somewhere.
Let's go, man.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Shoot anybody this way if you can.
I will. I will. I like this style on the Philco, but I don't like Philco. So it's,
Yeah.
it's like, man, I really love this style radio.
Yeah.
I have Crosley, Emerson, and a Philco that are all kind of not, but that thing is beautiful. That's probably shit about Philco.
This is quite the event. Folks bring all of their RVs out here and spend all week hanging out. Amateur radio operators are generally a very friendly bunch, and they always get together and have barbecues, and they normally talk on the radio, but now they can actually see each other in person. So anyway, just another aspect of the Hamfest here in Shelby. Yeah, let's have a look around here in the Hamfest. Yeah, I made it down the end of the row here. And it's getting early now, and folks are starting to come in. The Hamfest actually opens at 7 a.m., which is great. As you can see, we're getting more and more activity here. The idea of a flea market or Hamfest, you got to go visit all the tables because there may be some treasures you need to have in your own shack. This is the end of the populated Hamfest. And looking down this last aisle here, I'm going to walk down there now. This is more or less flea market area where everybody brings old gear and tries to sell it. And look what I found. Yes, it's a Heathkit multimeter, and it has Nixie tubes. All right, have a look at the bounty that I found.
Just a receiver.
An HP frequency counter. It's electronic counter.
General coverage.
We have an HP digital voltmeter. We have another HP electronic counter. And we have a Heathkit 2.5 digit multimeter, all using Nixie tubes. And I found this. This is an electronic load for testing power supplies. So there you go. I clean up all the junk at home and look what I bring home. And I made it down to the end of the row here. Let's have a look around here in the Hamfest. In the building there are new vendors making new equipment. Food stuff over there. So there you go. Let's have a look inside of the new building here. So this is my friend Norman. He just purchased himself a new Model 3 in July, correct? When did you get your Model 3, Norman?
June 25th.
June 25th. And can I ask you how old you are?
I'll be 92 next month.
92 years old. So the folks that think that they're too old for a Tesla, what would you tell them?
I would say you're never too old for a Tesla.
That is right. So of the features in the Tesla, what do you like the best? What stands out for you to be the best?
Well, I like the smoothness. I like the performance. I love the autopilot. I don't have the full self-driving mode, but autopilot fits me perfectly.
Excellent.
Yes.
Well, that's great. I love autopilot, as you know from my videos. It's my co-pilot to drive around while I take the video.
Right.
Good deal. Well, it's very nice meeting you, and if you have any questions, you know where to come. I'll be happy to try to answer them.
I sure do.
Thank you,
so
Norman.
much for the work you do.
Oh, well, thank you so much. I'm happy to bring it to everybody.
Yes, like I said on the webpage, you're a real ambassador for the
Thank you.
Tesla.
I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. All right. So we have Bill and Paul here on the left, and Norman, and this is the American Radio Relay League booth here. And they check cards. Paul's a card checker, and Bill is a rep from ARRL. And here we are. This is the inside vendors here, air-conditioned building. Just talking to Bill and Norman. Norman's a Model 3 owner, 91 years old. So if you think you're too old for a Tesla, think again. Yes, this is Bridges Barbecue. We come here every year. It's a famous place. It's been here a long time. It's located in Shelby, North Carolina. 75 years. Smile, Borden.
Last year, this year, and next year, they're all the same. It's just boom, boom, boom.
We're just leaving the city of Shelby now and heading home. We're gonna stop and do a few errands at Lowe's and possibly Harbor Freight in Forest City on the way home. I need an adapter for my air gun. Yeah, we're just about ready to get off the interstate here. Had to stop at Lowe's, pick up some air compressor fittings, which we did for our project in the garage. And now we're headed home. Be there pretty soon. It has been a good day. Got an early start. Headed to Shelby, had a little breakfast, met Matt. Went over to the Hamfest. I walked around. I scored 4 devices using Nixie tube displays. I really like devices with Nixie tubes. It's a Cold War era digital readout, and they are awesome. It's essentially a neon tube showing a number. It's very cool. Had a good day. Greg sold one of his 2 radios we brought down to sell. All in all, the Hamfest was in good shape. It was a nice trip today. Getting close to home now, another 8 miles, and I'll be there. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.